to his channel, the channel of brother and sis. Correct, right? Okay, so today Don Bosco High Secondary School Maram is having a science and arts exhibition called flower show. So please enjoy the show.
Quality that are essential not only in horticulture.
This is class 7A flower show. Item na chat sa chat ning dak lego. Yan chat dak le ne. Smile. This is Maram Cultural Trust, right? Okay, very nice. Say hi. Say exhibition sao là vui đập bấm đường này. Tung. Wow, 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 wow. What is this? Rice beer. Sit down, sit down, sit down. This is Maram, right? Oh, very nice. Ayyaha. Those who are watching, I don't know what is this. You might know, right? Audience will know, right?
Winter season. Yes.
They are the artists of this art. Nice, nice. Wow, good morning. Sit down, sit down, sit down. I'm just checking out. Volcano. Good morning. Sit down, please. Football ground, sports. Hey. 3 courts. Alright, very nice. Your class did a good job, yeah? Section A, right? Okay. Very nice. Though you're explaining, we will not able to hear because of the noises. Operation Overlord. Wow. Yeah, but Second World War.
Yes, sir. Which was to in 1944 Operation Overlord. Battle of Normandy.
Wow. Lots of army die, yeah? Here are the audience. See. Wonders of the world. Great Wall of China.
To be honest, woman. Oh, it is kind of
This is Great Wall of China. Pyramid of. How do you pronounce this? What is this? The Egyptian. What is the name?
Giza.
Gi?
Giza.
This is A, right?
Yeah, eh.
Wow. It's Egyptian gods. Pyramid and Great Wall of China. Well done, well done. Nice.
So yeah,
Early man.
she will explain.
Yeah, please explain.
According to science, this is human evolution, and we are mainly focusing on the life of early human life. During the days of early human life, since they doesn't have proper place to live, they are living in a cave and they are living in a group. Since when the predators come and when there is harsh environment, they can protect themselves from each other. And also, they are using this type of tools for killing animals. And after killing the animals, they are eating raw since they did not discover this fire. And they also collect these fruits and roots for consumption.
Okay.
They doesn't have clothes to wear, so they are collecting the skins of animal and using them as clothes.
Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Oh, Miss Chinese sister. Chinese is here, ngning me. Oh, sister. Oh, VP. All the teachers are here. Not me. Where's my picture? Nice, nice, nice. Public sitting. High court. Oh, okay. Acha, very nicely portrayed. Judiciary. System. Our church committee of science exhibition today. Very nicely done, sir. This is cultural area.
You are selling the food.
Bamboo hat. Oh my. Bahi bahi thumi ni la lai lai. Bahi ba pak thai tu re yang. Khare wi amula sangsai le je. Ile saksang la kene explain sat le. Earrings, necklace, dong le le. Harappan civilization. Okay. Market. Even boat is there, yeah? Hey. Nice, nice, nice. Very nicely done. Fruits for health. Hi, good morning. Wow!
Varieties of fruits which contain all vitamin A and C. This is very good for our eyes and our skin and our as well as our immune system. This is saying an apple a day keeps doctors away. This tomato too, if we and it also helps prevent cancers like breast and lung cancer. This mango, it is also known as the king of all fruits. It also manages diabetes.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Very nicely portrayed and placed.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, it's very nice. Well done, well done.
Thank you, sir, for
Yeah.
visiting.
Si tangkul basu ot nawala lele. Kape itu mah hi look to hoi wa. Ilam duin ya, tada look da ya. Je, kyo chana ning le go. Ise asu exhibit sa da le, thalai na sai. Itu mah hing pi da mai sai ren na yong zet na. One step at a time, but always forward. By class 12A. Very nicely done, class 12A. Nice, nice. Layers of earth. I was impressed when I saw this yesterday. Oh, already already coming out. Why fanning? Yay! Sun is too hot, so they are fanning. Oh my god. Very nice. Day and night. What is that? Model, okay.
This is what?
Woo! Very nice, very nice. How will you rate your class project? 8 out of 10. That's some confidence. Nice, nice. Yeah, well done. This is water tank, water well. What is the drip irrigation? Okay, working model. Very nicely made. Say hi, say hi. Say wave. This is flowers, plastic renewer. Okay. Oh, very nice. Here is another model. Hello. They have helipad.
Good idea. So between the urban and rural area. So let me say about this. Rural area is far away from air pollution and lower pollution. This area consists of church, community hall, greenhouse, and kind of also and kind of garden. It's also a garden, but people can also come and visit.
She is explaining about the project. Very nice. Oh, Don Bosco model. This is the best one, yeah?
For the Bosco High Secondary School, Maram.
Welcome to our campus. Wow. Ayah. This is I'm falling. This is very nice. Who is the artist? Okay, this is very well done. Basketball, volley court, school canteen, primary section. Okay, the main block building, Don Bosco.
New construction is good.
Yeah, even our new construction building model is there.
Even a
Football ground. Oh my god. Those who haven't seen our campus, see, this is our campus. This might become our main, this one, front gate later on. Cannot predict yet, but this football court might become our assembly ground. So we'll see about that. As of now, this is the main gate when you enter. As this is very nicely made, and even the color, yeah, nice, yeah, nice. Cyclone. So everything is broken and falling down. So this is the model of natural calamity. So all the post vehicles are fallen down and made accident. Oh, very nice, very nice. So these are the artists, if I am not wrong. This is section E, right? E. D. Oh, okay. Nice. Very nicely done. See, should we okay. Acha hon we simtha ji sembam da den wa ya. See, Maram traditional house tak bia le la. Thanai ni semai le. Yek sangai jim le sinam na che. Nice. Miss kito Shirin install ta zali do. Shirin Ningshen Kulang miao le se. Kumram nói thấy là Spain lollipop more. Hello everyone.
Say hello to you guys one day.
Project project sang rogai ga chot rogai that they are already tired, exhausted.
Yes, students.
She is hungry, she is sleepy.
Respected classrooms.
Media club we notice sports. Hello. Hi. Oh, 跳一下就起来。
Go to your respective classrooms. Thank you.
Say hi, say hi.
Hi.
Hi everyone. Rejoice. This is the exit. Thank you for visiting. The solar system. Which section is this? E. So solar system. Okay. And this is. What is the name of traditional house? Okay. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. So all the artists are here. Nepali house. Oh, so this is Nepali traditional house and this is Maram traditional house. Very nicely done. This deforestation and afforestation. Okay. So deforestation is this side, afforestation. Very nice. Artists. Polluted air, fresh air. Good morning. Oh, smoke coming out. Mount Fuji.
Japan 100 kilometers southwest of Tokyo.
Wow.
776 meters above sea level. This is from looking the interactions between the tectonic plates. This mountain formation is a composition of three successive volcanoes, namely the Bosco, the Fuji, and the Shin Fuji. This mountain is recognized as the World Heritage Site in the year 2013.
Okay.
And it's considered
Arigato. Very nice, very nice. See, even the smoke is coming up. So this is a model of volcano. Three successive volcanoes. Mount Fuji. Very nice, very nice. But there are still some cars running around. Your car. Oh. So this is painted by whom? Oh, wood. Come on, painter. Oh, say. Very nice, very nice. This is the only project which I don't understand. Just kidding. So, how do you find the project? Is it nice? Oh. Med Square.
Automatic.
Acha. Okay. Nice, very nice idea. Nature. Urban. Okay, urban. Very nice. Another house motor. Whose building is this? Yeah. Oh, this is very colorful, yeah? In the camera. Yeah, very nice. Another tsunami. Oh, okay. Hi, everyone. Well done. Woo! Yay! Smart city. Oh my God. Wow. I think I better take this model and build my village like this. Very nice. India flag is there. Nationality.
Reserve Bank of India.
Woo! Bank of India.
This is a cafeterian
Oh, nice.
highway, and here we have hospital.
Okay. Hospital. All right.
On every roof we have solar panels.
Oh, that's why smart city, right?
Yes.
Mall is there. Apartments, hospital, cafe, and bank. Everything is there. Highway, bridge, cars, everything is there. Very nice. Okay, well done. Your section. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Where?
My friends.
2021, 2021,
See.
and bottled in 2025.
감사합니다. Wow, sleeping. What is the name of? Where's the name of the project?
You ask him.
Air Tower. Okay, Air Tower.
This is the internet tower, a very unique one. This is made. He was born yesterday. And so my project is very unique one. If you want to post something in Instagram, how will you use without internet? You get my point, right?
Yes.
And this is the house. If there is no place to use internet properly, where will you use? That's why I made this.
Wow. Okay. Very nice, Litan. H2 trade. Another motor. Bar, social media, film fair. What is the name of the project? Oh, okay. Let's. Very nice. All the cars are here.
We have partnership with the garage, with the restaurant, with the gas station.
Acha.
Partnership business.
Okay.
And sir, all the vehicles, they are electric vehicles.
Electric vehicles, parking, bikes,
The water
public
fountain.
areas. Very nice. Okay. Even KFC is there.
Yes, sir.
Some Manos will visit. Very nice. Well done. Manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer. Okay.
Till what time this will be displayed?
Huh?
Till what time this will be open?
I don't know. Yeah. Not. It won't be very long. I think now.
No idea. Maybe
By 2:30. That's good timing. Huh? Indian oil, petrol, extra mile. Okay, diesel. So you will be selling petrol. Who is selling diesel? What is the price of petrol? Police. Oh, police. Bang. Very nice. Where did you go? Long time. Oh. Where? Belated happy birthday. Yeah. Oh, Reserve Bank of India. Very nice. The artist is hiding. Insurance, okay. Hospital is there. How do I read? What is that?
Transport malls.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's ADM searching. ADM. Look. Very nice. Well done. Marketing area. ADM, Amazon, everything is there. Whoa. Even social media. She's the artist. Netflix. Oh my God, my favorite. Oh, Misho. Oh, all the marketing websites are here. Yeah, very nice. Okay, well done. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, our science and arts exhibition is now over. As we have checked out, we enjoyed. I believe that you enjoyed the video as well. We had a great time checking out the projects and to listen about all those projects, how much they work on that, and the meanings and the significance of their project. It was really good, and want to show my appreciation to all the students. You have worked hard, and all the works that you have put in, I do believe that it will not go in waste or vain. So you have done a great job, and yeah, all the teachers did a good job as well, taking their part. So thank you everyone for watching. I hope that you all learned something, their creativity, what our students are doing here in the campus. So that is a very good job done. So going back now, see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching the video, and please do hit the button subscribe. That will be fantastic. Bye bye for today.